This is not just a workshop, it's been my life's work. To provide the best possible care to the customers and to the European vehicles we look after.
For decades, Anthony Costello has built a reputation for precision European vehicle care.
When you work on these cars, every detail does matter. The right parts, the right tools and the right lubricants.
That's why Anthony Costello Automotive trusts FUCHS, with more OEM approvals across leading European manufacturers.
I grew up around this place, now we're taking it forward. Same standards, same attention to detail, just the next generation.
Providing the most premium levels of attention to all European vehicles, from logbook servicing and diagnostics to performance and preventative maintenance. It's about keeping precision engineering running perfectly, today and tomorrow.
It's not just an oil change, it's about doing things properly.
We're proud of what we've built here and proud of what keeps these cars moving. Our suppliers, they are the very best.
FUCHS Lubricants, moving your world.